Today we're taking a quick look at the 8 secrets to marketing success with TikTok. This is a digital guide that teaches marketers how to grow and convert on TikTok, a platform that thrives on fun, creative short videos. The guide highlights that TikTok's audience is young and engaged, so you have to tailor your content to be visually appealing, entertaining, and relatable. Your videos should feel natural and fun, not salesy. Music matters. Adding trending sounds helps your videos mesh with TikTok culture. And it's not just music. Trending formats and challenges give you a shortcut to attention and engagement. Another big piece is planning. Posting consistently with a content strategy is better than random uploads. The TikTok algorithm rewards creators who show up regularly and engage with their audience. Most importantly, this guide teaches you to entertain before you sell. On TikTok, users want value and fun, and once you build that trust, turning views into customers becomes much easier. If you're serious about boosting your TikTok marketing and getting real results, check out the link in the description and grab your copy of The 8 Secrets to Marketing Success with TikTok today. Your audience is waiting. Let's go get them.